Let's take a look at several color examples. On the left here we have HTML background color. So this will do the entire screen in the background color of this hue, saturation, lightness value. A little bit's cut off there. But it ends up being this medium orange that is, medium orange that's on the left and right hand side of the page. The reason we even see that is because the body has a built-in margin that sometimes we set to 0 so we can't see the HTML, but right now we haven't changed it, so we actually do see the HTML background. Then we have body, open brace, color, RGB 91, 91, 91. This is a dark gray, so red, green, blue values are all the same. It's going to be a dark gray, and if you notice on the right hand side, the text there in the paragraphs are not completely black, they are that dark gray. And then other body attribute we got is background color, background-color, and we're using a word there. One of the few words that we can use is ivory, semicolon, and that creates this off-white background that you see behind the paragraphs and behind the links. That's the ivory color. Let's further look at the H1 down here. We have heading 1, open brace, color, white, semicolon. So we're setting the text color of our heading 1s to be white. You need to be very careful with this because if you change stuff to white, you need to make sure it has some sort of background color that would be opposite of that and allow it to show up. Fortunately, we do. We have two H1s up here at the top, links and about TSS. So you can see that the text color is indeed white, and the background color of those H1s is this dark orange, and that we get from this background-color RGB, that value. Notice it's an orange because 223 is the red color, and that is, we can't see the last color, but it is 60. The red is the highest value, so it is going to be a red tint, in this case orange color. H2 is, we do a similar item, so we got heading 2, open brace, color, white, semicolon. So on my example on the right, that is the word classes. The word classes is also text color white, and the background color on that, we do a slightly different color. We add a little bit more green to mute the red in there, so we end up with a lighter orange.